Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Xiaomi Mi Band 6. We had the Xiaomi for a while in our channel. We have the Mi Band 4, 5, 6, all of them probably. And today we will see what we have from the Mi Band 6. What option do we have? Is it better than the Mi Band 5? And what does it has better or what doesn't? So let's go ahead without losing any time, start the unboxing and see what we got. In the new Mi Band 6, we have 1.56 AMOLED display, 125 mAh battery, so it will last up to 14 days. We have recharging time for around 2 hours. You can see a lot of options here in the back and in the side, but it's all in Chinese, unfortunately. We have water resistant 5 ATM, so it means up to 50 meters waterproof. We have activity tracker like count step, distance, calories burned, female health monitoring, blood oxygen, and we have other heart rate and other health monitoring, and also we have sensors, and we have a lot of more options that we will see in the menu of the watch. You can see in the package we have the user manual all in Chinese, unfortunately. The same charger from the Mi Band 5 we see in the Mi Band 6 too, and we have the Mi Band 6 itself wrapped up for protection. Now we have to connect it first so we can use it, and we will show you later how to connect it with Android and iOS so you don't have any trouble at all. After you connect it, this is how it will look like. You can see in the menu we have status, PAI, heart rate, blood oxygen, notifications, workouts, very much workouts, workout history, stress, breathing, events, alarm, weather, Alipay, music, work log, settings, and more. In the settings we will have band display, don't disturb, brightness, lock screen. We have screen wake up, auto screen off, notifications screen, and we have the press and hold for watch faces, detect activities, reboot, factory reset, regularity, and about. Also we have here camera, stopwatch, timer, find phone, and more. In the right we have the weather, the music control, and we have the Alipay. Obviously we don't have NFC in the Mi Band 6, so these are all the options that we have here. Let's begin with some tests immediately here in the Xiaomi Mi Band 6. The first option is heart rate. Let's try how the Mi Band 6 will perform. As you can see, it's measuring, and it will take not too much time to show some result. You can see the first result. It's still measuring. It says relaxed and please remain still, so don't move while you are doing these measurements. We have the time that we got the result. Next in the line we have the blood oxygen. As you can see, wear tightly and hold still. Again, don't move. This is the blood oxygen, and in the meantime we will see our heart rate as well. As you can see, screen upwards, don't move, stay still and wait for the result. Now we got the result. You can see with time again, all of these results will be saved in the app. At the workouts, we mentioned before that we have a lot of them. We have outdoor running, the first option, treadmill, walking, cycling, indoor cycling, rowing machine, elliptical, pool swimming, yoga, jump rope, freestyle, and we have more. If we go to more, we will find dance, indoor fitness, gymnastic, high intensity, core, stretching, stepper, table tennis, badminton, basketball, kickbox, street dance, Zumba, and indoor icing, and much more, up to 90 sports. Here we can customize a few things, and you can see the GPS is activated. Now we can press go, 3-second countdown, and it will begin immediately, where we can find the time at the top, seconds going underneath, distance, pace, average pace, seconds, stride, calories, and heart rate with heart rate zone. Very good option. In the right we have the music control, in the left we can end the session, and all this data again will be saved in the app for us later to check out what we did. Next, after the Workout, we have the stress, which is very good option to have in today's watches. You can see this will take a little bit longer than usual, and this is how the result will look like. It says we are relaxed, and this is how we should keep it. Next, we have the breathing exercise, which helps you with stress and relax your breathing and lower your heart rate. You have to inhale and exhale like it says in the animation. So as you can see, inhale when the circle is getting bigger and exhale when it's getting smaller. This will go on for 1 minute. You can do up to 5 minutes if you need so, and the result will be looking just like this. You can see you have the times that you breathe and your heart rate down below. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.